Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your max FPS in Hytale. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, navigate to the video tab. Here, under Unlimited and Max FPS, you can, change your FPS. Unlimited FPS, which is turned off by the default, says what's on the tin. It uncaps your FPS. But for a smoother experience, I recommend leaving it turned off and simply changing the max FPS manually. So it goes from the minimum of 20 to the maximum of 240. I will go with half 120. And after I make my changes, and you do yours, simply hit Save Changes, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.